Are you an introvert or an extrovert? How can you tell, and why does it matter? Actually, let's start there. It matters because when you know how you operate, it can help you make better decisions about how to market your business, how to run your business, how to schedule your time, and how to manage your boundaries. When you understand yourself, it frees you up to show up authentically and to make decisions that are authentic to you. To find out if you're an introvert, you just need to know a little bit about yourself and what you're looking for. Let's take a look at the bucket model, or the mug model, if you will. The mug or bucket is a representation of the energy that you have in you. We all know how good it feels to have our energy all filled up, right? But what does it take to do that? If you're an introvert, it takes being alone with yourself, doing some reading, filling out your journal, going for a walk. Downtime is what will fill your bucket. Maybe spending time with a couple of your good friends, and that's it, like no more than one or two people. As an introvert, what will drain your energy is being with a lot of people with a lot going on and a lot of data that you need to manage, and all sorts of people who are brand new to you that you don't know. That's what's going to drain your energy if you're an introvert. An extrovert is exactly the opposite. The things that fill their bucket are things like hanging out with people they don't know in a place where there's lots going on. They've got all their favorite friends around them. An extrovert, the things that drain your energy are things like spending time alone, reading a book. The thing that we need to be clear about here is it's not either or. It's not introvert or extrovert. In fact, they're along a spectrum. There's a whole middle area where many of us land called ambiversion. And an ambivert is an introverted extrovert or an extroverted introvert, depends on how you think about it. But the point is that we land someplace in between, and most people do. Nobody is a true introvert or a true extrovert. There's a mix of both in us. And it can be incredibly helpful to understand personally where you land on that. Are you a little bit more introverted with some extroversion, or vice versa? That's where I land. I'm an introvert with some extroverted aspects of myself that create some balance for myself. And it's okay to land someplace in the middle. It's just important that you understand where you land, what fills your unique bucket, and what drains it, so that you can be clear about what you need at any given time. So this matters when it comes to marketing your business. If you are very much an introvert and you do a lot of extroverted behaviors in your marketing, you're on all the time, you're on stage, you're talking to a lot of people you don't know, you're putting energy out all the time, it's important that you're aware of that. And either you make sure you balance it with things that help fill your bucket, or you could even make changes in your marketing so that they don't drain you so much. Because if you're doing all these things that are on all the time and you're not refilling your bucket, it can lead to burnout, and burnout sucks. So what you need to consider is, what are you doing to manage your energy? When are you draining your energy? When are you refilling your energy? Here are some things to think about. If you're a morning person, your best creativity is in the morning. Making sure that you're scheduling the morning to be creative can actually help fill your bucket. If you find that being in meetings drains your bucket, making sure that you're bookending those meetings with things that fill your bucket, like reading or creativity, that can help you manage your energy around something that drains it. So what I want to know is, which one are you? Are you an introvert? Are you an extrovert? Or are you an ambivert? Tell me in the comments.